of the best. Eat your vegetables, they pass the test. Yay for veggies, hip hip hooray. We'll eat them again another day. Vegetables, vegetables, healthy and bright. Eat them every day, they make you feel right.
Oh no! I forgot some vegetables. Let's see, what else do we have? Pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. It is big, round, and orange. Bell pepper. This is a bell pepper. It comes in red, green, and yellow. Green beans. These are green beans.